You guys are good.
All right, so I have one of our Growing Smiles Club members here, so we're gonna demonstrate flossing. Parents always ask me, is it important for kids, little kids, to floss? My answer is always yes. Anytime the teeth touch, you have to floss out the bacteria and the food in the middle, right? Okay, so let's try to demonstrate. We'll pretend like these are molars. Your molars are your chompy teeth in the back. And we'll pretend like that's plaque bugs and food, okay? Okay, so we'll roll it around our fingers, just like that. Here, roll it on your finger. Perfect, Liv. Okay, so come on up, and you're gonna wiggle pop. So you're gonna wiggle it down, and then we pop it out. So let's wiggle it down, and then pop it out, and then we'll wiggle it down, and pop it out. You did it! Good girl. So as you can see, flossing is pretty simple. The old way is to put it between two fingers and you wiggle it down and pop it out, or you can use some of the newer, easier little flossers. Here at our office, I call them wiggle pops because you literally wiggle in between and pop out. Thanks for helping. Good job.